Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi, and that's a dream about beauty. In today's video, I have a small unboxing for you. We're going to start out with this box from Shoppers Drug Mart. So for those of you who are in the US, Shoppers Drug Mart is a box, or sorry, it's not a box. Shoppers Drug Mart is a store that is similar. It's a drugstore, and it's similar a bit to Ulta. They vary, so some of them have a side of high-end beauty, and then they sell drugstore beauty as well. So they also, about a year, 2 years ago, a year and a half ago, they started having an online store, so which is great because a lot of the stuff that you can't get in store you can get online, so perfect. So the first thing I ordered is a reed diffuser from Nest in the fragrance called Linen, and this is what it looks like. I have already unpackaged it because I really wanted to smell what it smelled like. I had no patience. And for making my bedroom smell nice, I have been using wax melts, but I find that I've been going through them a lot, and I just wanted to try something different. You can see one of my wax melts in the background there. Okay, and my next purchase is from Lipstick Queen, and it's a lipstick, and it is in the shade Naked Truth. So this is the third that I have bought in the Naked series of lipsticks from the Lipstick Queen, and that's the shade. So it's a bit of peachy pink. And I'll just swatch for you the other. So that one is Naked Truth. This one is called Sweet as Honey. It's on top. It's a bit more pink. Then the last one I have is called Truth or Dare. And it's a bit of a paler color, but you can see that they're all very similar in shade. My favorite colors. Okay, so what else do we have in here? We have the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil. It says enhances and nourishes. Transparent color, mirror shine, soothes comfortable lips, non-sticky pampering texture, a cocktail of 3 plant oils. And I got it in the shade called Blackberry, I think. Yes. This is what it looks like. I'll just try it on. That's really nice. Smells good, has a nice texture to it. No stickiness. It is sheer. Okay, and the next thing I got is the It Bye Pores Poreless Finish Airbrush Powder. I know Angie from Hot and Flashy has talked about this particular setting powder quite a bit. So, and my pores are my Achilles heel. They are the thing I hate the most about myself. So this is what it looks like, and it comes with this little powder puff. So I'm looking forward to using this and seeing how it goes. I've also have the pressed powder version of this. So. And then I got the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Full Coverage Cream Anti-Aging Hydrating Serum Plus 50 Plus SPF Physical Sunscreen. This is, I've heard and seen a lot of people raving about this. I got this in the light medium. So hopefully that will be okay. Well, there we go. So I've never tried any of the foundations before from IT Cosmetics, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying this, and hopefully it's a good match for me. And then there are samples. There's a Smashbox oil, Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control, Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer, Primer and Moisture in One, Joey Wrinkle Smoothing Light Cream, and Teology Happy Skin All-in-One Beauty Balm. That's the Teology, Joey, Smashbox. I have a bazillion of these little sample things and I hardly know what to do with them. Alright, so that's one box all done. Now for the next box. This is from Sephora, and I have not opened this yet. I was so surprised it was delivered to my door. I'm like, Canada Post never delivers to my door, ever. Lots of pieces of paper, yay! Alright, the first thing I got is a sample of Paco Rabanne 1 million. Provocatively sexy and fresh spicy leather accord, daring and debonair. Sample of Juliet Has a Gun, Not a Perfume. I like this. Okay, so I was checking out the sales on Sephora, and the first thing I saw was this Anastasia Blush Trio from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I got it in the shade called Pink Passion. And that's what it looks like. Oh, it's smaller than I thought it would be. Those are pretty colors. Nice and cool toned, right up my street. So I'm looking forward to using those. Then I got the eyeshadow palette She's in Parties from Melt Cosmetics. I really love monochromatic looks, and so when I saw this palette, I really wanted it because it is the perfect palette for doing a monochromatic look. I mean, I know that you're not going to get a lot of variety out of this, but that's okay with me. So So you can be sure you'll be seeing a first impression of this in the next few days. So stay tuned for that. And I'll wait until then to swatch it for you. And the next thing I got was Too Faced Shake Your Pom Poms. Pretty packaging. I've had this in my cart, out of my cart, in my cart, out of my cart, in my cart, out of my cart. So, oh, it's pretty. And that's what it looks like. Very pretty. And it was on sale. And then the last thing I got was the Sephora Favorites Deluxe Perfume Sampler. I've been working on my perfume collection, so we've got let's see what scents we have. We've got Atelier Cologne Love Osmanthus, Burberry Her, Dolce & Gabbana Dolce, Maison Margiela Replica Beach Walk, Nest Sun-Kissed Hibiscus, Tom Ford Eau de Soleil Blanc, Yves Saint Laurent Black Opium, and there is a candle in here as well from Volume Spa in Santal Vanille. There. That's what it looks like. So lots of new perfumes to try out, and a teeny tiny little candle that I can turn into a shot glass when I'm done with it. It's really small. Well, that's it. That's it for my unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. Time is our most precious resource, and whenever you spend a little bit of your time with me, I really appreciate it because your time is precious. I hope that wherever in the world you are, that you're well, that you're healthy, that you're happy. I'd like to encourage you to activate the notification bell, subscribe, like, and comment below. That's it from me for today. Take care. Bye-bye.